Today I'm sharing with you how I made this easy spinach sauce with simple ingredients. This was delicious and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In my saucepan I added in my spinach, washed spinach, habanero pepper, tomato, onion, garlic, ginger. I added in water and brought that to a boil. So cover it and let it boil until the veggies are cooked and then until the spinach is ready. Once it is ready, off the fire, drain the water and then add the veggies to your earthenware. All you have to do is to grind it and you're good to go. It is very simple, very easy, and it's delicious. So I added in some anchovy. If you don't have it, you can use fermented salted fish, which we call this in Ghana momoni, but I wasn't having momoni at the time, so I used anchovies and it's very nice. It took it to the next level. So go ahead, grind it until it's smooth and then add in your peanut butter and the tomato. So once added, go ahead and blend until almost smooth and then add in some of your mackerel. I used smoked mackerel. If you don't have mackerel, you can use canned sardine and you're good to go. So add some to it, grind them together till smooth and add in your spinach. This is very easy. It's a simple recipe like I said from the beginning of this video, and this is delicious. Pairing this with cooked yam, cooked potatoes or cooked plantain, you will love it. You will love it, and this took it to the next level. So please try this process and trust me, you're going to love it. Grind until almost smooth and add in your spinach and you're good to go. So grind them together. All you have to do is preheat your palm oil, add it to it, and this is ready. Wow, it is ready, it is simple, and it is delicious. So mine was missing some salt because of the anchovy. I didn't add in salt, so I tasted and it was missing salt. I added in just a pinch of salt and that was okay. So the rest of the mackerel, I just push it in and I preheated my palm oil. I added in red onion. Don't overcook the red onions, like you still want it crunchy, so just give it 2 to 3 minutes. You're good to go. Just pour it on top of the sauce and that's it, guys. This is very simple, it is easy, and it is delicious. Lastly, I added in my salted tilapia. This, we call this in Ghana kobe. And I cooked some eggs. This is it, guys. This is very simple, very easy, and it's delicious. I hope you're really going to give this amazing recipe a try and let me know the outcome in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, love you all and stay blessed. Adios.